So, did this year make my relationship with my wife stronger or different? It definitely didn't make it stronger. Um, to be honest, it probably most definitely changed completely. I wouldn't say we're closer than I wouldn't say we're as close as we once were. Um, I mean, we've been through a lot, right? Like I've seen her at her lowest of lows, her tank completely empty, up multiple times per night, and it's hard to even on my side, right? Like I'm exhausted, less so, but it's hard to put the time into each other, right? When we have somebody, when we have a baby to take care of, that's that's as simple as it is, right? It's as much as people say, you have to take time out for your wife, go on dates and love each other like you once did. The intimacy drops. It's easier said than done, right? Because you're in a new phase of your life. And I'll be honest, the kid changes both of you guys, right? It changed me, it changed her. We're different people, right? Coming out of this. I like to think we're better people. I can only speak for myself. But I find we're both more kind, more understanding, more sympathetic. And I think it's okay. It's okay not to be as strong with your partner as you once were, because there's phases of life, right? You're in a phase of your life now where maybe each other isn't the priority. It's the baby, and that's okay, because I mean, I guess that's what marriage is about, right? It's not the happy moments. It's troubleshooting together. It's figuring out how to work out routines together with the baby. It's paying bills. It's picking up diapers. It's like that's what marriage is about, right? Like they said it was going to be hard, and it's hard now. But seeing my wife, even though we're not as strong as we once were, just seeing her care for our baby, just giving her all to tend to the baby at night, and just just everything, right? A mother does. Yeah, I couldn't be more in love with her, right? And although we're not as strong as we once were, I'm excited to try to win that new person back, to be honest. And I hope she feels the same, right? I mean, we change as we grow, right? As things get incorporated into our lives, that we grow, and then we keep trying to learn more about each other. We It'd be boring if you just had the same relationship all throughout your life, right? But it's interesting just to see how new factors get added to our lives. Our baby will continue to grow. We'll both continue to grow, and we're both committed to finding our way back to each other, whatever that looks like. And I think if you're watching this and you're a new dad, it's okay if your relationship with your wife isn't as strong. It's hard for it to be that way, right? But just know there's gonna come a day where you're gonna get a good handle on this baby thing, and then you're gonna have a little bit more energy to work on your marriage, right? Work on your relationship with your wife or your partner, and and date this new person, right? That you didn't know before you had kids. So look forward to that. Look forward to that.